Okay, first section.
Not complete.
Not complete. It's very steep, isn't it? In fair,
It's now a doddle.
this is pretty steep.
This is crazy
It's very steep. Hopefully, well, if it's this all the way to the top, then yeah, it could take 6 hours. Okay, first section. First section done. That was only 0.8 of a mile uphill.
What?
I thought, yeah, we've still got 3 miles to go up.
What's the 3 miles to?
Up to the top.
Okay,
Okay, so this is the first bit of the falls. How you feeling? Better now? Yeah, it was hard, gassing. So that was 0.8 of a mile to get to this point. Hopefully you can hear me over the very loud waterfall. Very impressive. That is a lot of water. Yeah, if you fell in there, you have no chance. Ah, okay, there we go. So,
that's where we're going.
point to it on there. So, up there. What, that's the first one? Oh, okay, so that's Vernal Falls. Okay, so making our way up the mist trail. Absolutely stunning. Claire's gone ahead. Yeah, impressive. This isn't as steep as that first section, I have to say, but I think it's going to get steeper in a minute. Okay, a little bit of interesting terrain. Okay, Claire, how are we doing? It's like walking up our hill at Matcham's, but all the way up. Okay, so we're just heading up to the mist section, which is when we turn this corner, we're going to get hit by the spray from the waterfall and get very wet. Pretty impressive. I can start to see a bit of mist coming round. Oh yeah, I can start to see it coming off the hill. Right, I think we should suit up. Yeah, okay. Suited and booted, let's do this. Don't know how wet we're going to get, but oh, pretty wet, I can see it. We're getting lightly misted on. That's a big puddle. Woo. We've got to keep going up there, up to the falls. Hopefully you can see the really big rainbow there. Very cool. Keep going up. Huh? I know, it did, yeah. Oh. It's pretty steep. Here we go, can't feel the wind now. And the spray is crazy. Woo. Definitely a good idea to bring the coats. We're going to do this. Oh, this is relentless. Woo. Getting wet. Holy cow, this is... Took my glasses off, I couldn't see anything. It's too much spray.
Get videos like that, pouring out. Oh, look at it,
Oh yeah, that's cool. Well, I think we're right in it. Woo. Jesus! Okay, there's a crazy rainbow in the water. Hopefully you can see it. Oh my god. Oh, oh, it's like having a cold shower. Jesus. Oh my god, my shorts, look at them. Right, come on, keep going. Come on, Claire, let's go. Oh my god. Getting cold legs now. They are not wrong. Oh. Oh, it's actually run down in my trainers. We're nearly at the top now. Absolutely soaked through. Okay, we made it through the mist. And now I'm absolutely soaked and freezing cold. But awesome. Yeah, okay. Holy moly, this is pretty steep. What do you think?
I'll be impressed when I get to the top.
Alright, this is the most difficult bit, the next bit's.
600 of these bastards.
Yeah, they said the 600 steps. I thought, oh, we've done that, but we haven't done it, no.
Barely scratched
Yeah.
on the surface.
I'm a lot warmer now, though. Right then, Claire, come on, you're doing well. Yeah. So we get up there, so nearly there. Okay, well, this looks pretty sketchy too. Your eyes twitching, why? Well, this is pretty hardcore. Oh, we made it. Oh man. Claire emerges from the hole. Made it, Claire. Right.